Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create branding designs in Affinity Designer in 2026. So if you want to build a complete brand identity like logos, colors, and social media assets, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide your brand style. So choose your colors, fonts, and overall vibe like modern, luxury, or minimal. Next, open Affinity Designer official website and click New Document. Set up different artboards for logo, business card, and social media posts. Now create your logo using the Shape tool, Pen tool, and Text tool. Keep it simple, clean, and scalable for all sizes. So yeah, choose a consistent color palette and fonts. This helps keep your brand identity strong and recognizable everywhere. Next, design supporting assets like business cards, social media posts, and banners. Make sure everything matches your brand style. Finally, click File and then Export to save your branding designs. So, export as PNG for digital use and PDF or SVG for scalable professional files. And that's how to create branding designs in Affinity Designer in 2026. Once you understand consistency, colors, and layouts, building a professional brand becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more design tutorials.